हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम आपके लिए अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियोस ला रहे हैं। अगर आप हेडफोन लगा के हमारे वीडियोस आखिर तक देखते हो और बार बार देखते हो तो आपकी अच्छी लर्निंग होगी और आपके अच्छे स्कोर्स यानी कि मार्क्स आएंगे। आप टॉपर स्टूडेंट बन जाओगे क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट। हम आपके लिए मेहनत से वीडियो बनाते हैं। सिर्फ हमारे लिए एक काम करो, हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलो, ताकि जब भी हम नया वीडियो बनाएंगे या कोई नया अपडेट आपके लिए होगा तो तुरंत आपको मिल जाएगा। हमारे वीडियोस को शेयर करना ना भूलो। आपकी पढ़ाई के लिए हमने एक खास ऐप बनाया है। इसमें आपके लिए होंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन पेपर्स भी आपको मिलेंगे इसमें। और इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात जो कि एमसीक्यू टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस यानी कि क्विज टाइप क्वेश्चंस होंगे। आप वहाँ पे टेस्ट दे सकते हैं और आपके तुरंत मार्क्स आपको मिलेंगे। आपका परफॉर्मेंस आप खुद चेक कर सकते हैं। ये ऐप आपको गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे मिलेगा। सिर्फ आपको सर्च करना है माई बेस्ट गुरु नाम से। थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट लक फॉर योर स्टडी।
Now, the practice set 1.2 from that question number first. Complete the following table to draw the graph of the following equations. Now the equations are given x plus y is equal to 3 and second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Now here x plus y is equal to 3. We will find out the solution for this first. Now the table is given. Here the value of x, y is given. This is x, y and the coordinates are x and y. So see, in the first step x is 3 and here it is 0. So we are putting here y, value of y is 0. Now see, x plus y is equal to 3. As the value of y is given, it is 5. So we will put 5 on the place of y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 minus 5. So 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. This is the solution for the second part. So we got the value of x is equal to minus 2. So the coordinates are minus 2 comma 5. Now see, the third equation, coordinate is given 0 comma 3. Here 3 is there for as a y coordinate. Now we have to just put 0. Next equation number second, x minus y is equal to 4. Now the values are, again we have to find out the solution for this. So x and y, these are the coordinate. Now just put x, y is equal to 0. So x minus 0 is equal to 4. So you get the value of x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. So it is 4 and write down the coordinate 0, 4 comma 0. Now next part is x minus y is equal to 4. So put the value of x is minus 1. So minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. So next part is y is equal to minus 4 minus 1. So minus 4 minus 1 will be minus 5. So you got the value of y is minus 5. So the coordinates are 4 comma minus 5. Question number second, solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. So from that, question number first is x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. Now we will find out the solution for first equation, that is x plus y is equal to 6. Now here we have to put the value of x as 1, then 0 and then minus 1. And from these values we have to find out the values for y. Now x plus y, so as at very first we have to put here 1. So x is equals to 1. So 1 plus y is equal to 6. So the value of y is equal to 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 is equal to y is equal to 5. So you got the value of y as a 5. So write down the coordinates 1 comma 5. Now next x plus y. Now we have to put 0. So 0 plus y is equal to 6. So the value of y is equal to 6 minus 0 and y is equal to 6. write down the value 6 there. It is 0, 6. Now next part is x plus y is equal to 6. Now put the value of y is -1. -1 plus y is equal to 6. Now y is equal to 6 minus 1 will become plus 1 from that side. So y is equal to 7. So it is -1 by 7. Now we will go for the second equation. Your second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. So the table is given and we have to just put the values as 1, 0 and -1 and find out the values for y. So x minus y is equals to 4. Put the value of x as 1. 1 minus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 1 minus 4. So you will get y is equal to -3. So the coordinates are 1, -3. Next, put the value of x as here it is 0. So we have to put 0. So 0 minus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 0 minus 4. So the value of your y is equal to -4. So it is -4. It is y. So y is equal to -4. So you get 0, -4 is the answer. And at last x minus y is equal to 4. So -1 minus y is equal to 4. So the value of y is, here it is y. So value of y is equal to -1 minus 4. So you get the value of y is equal to -5. So -1, -5 is the answer for this. Now we will just plot the points on that graph. So here put down the points 1, 2, 3. This is your x-axis, 4, 5 and 6. Now on the other side, on the left hand side, we have to just mark the point -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Now put the values for y-axis. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on the next downside it is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now we'll just mark out the points as we have first coordinate is 1, 5. Now check on the x-axis where is 1 and where is 5. Then locate the point. Second one 0, 6. So it is 0 and this point is 6. So it is 0, 6. And third one is -1, 7. So it is -1 and it is 7 on the y-axis. So it is -1 by 7. Just all these 3 points should be on one line. So it is the equation for the line. X plus y is equal to 6. Now next, for the next equation. So first coordinate is 1, -3. So 1, -3 is here it is 1 and on the y-axis it is -3. Next point is 0, -4. So it is 0 and -4 on the y-axis. So it is second point. Now third point is -1, -5. So -1, -5 is here. Now just draw the line from this point. So you will get this line which is in purple color. This is x minus y is equal to 4. Now these two lines are meeting here at this point. So that coordinate is 5, 1. So it is the answer of that coordinate x, y is 5, 1. So the solution is x, y is equal to 5, 1 is the solution. Question number second, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. So we will go for the solution for equation number 1. X plus y is equal to 5. So the table is put the values of x as 1, 0 and -1. So see, your equation is, we are just replace that for making the calculation easy. So it is y is equal to 5 minus x. So see, just put the value of x as a 1. So y is equal to 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So just put here 4. So it is 1. So the coordinates are 1, 4. Now for next, y is equals to, again the equation 5 minus x. So put the value of x as a 0. So y is equal to 5 minus 0 is y is equal to 5. So the solution, so the coordinates are 0, 5. And next y is equal to 5 minus x. So y is equal to 5 minus, it is minus 1. So y is equal to 5 minus minus will become plus 1. So you get the value of y is equal to 6. So here it is 6 and the coordinate is minus 1 comma 6. Now we will go for the solution for next equation. Next equation is x minus y is equal to 3. So the table is x, y and x comma y. So x is 1, 0 and minus 1. So y is equal to x. We are just replace this y over here. So it is plus y and this will be minus 3. So you have equation for y is equal to x minus 3. So y is equal to the value of x, put the value of x as a 1. So it is 1 minus 3. So 1 minus y is equal to 1 minus 3 is here it is 1 minus 3 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 and the coordinate of x comma y is 1 comma minus 2. Now we'll just put the value for x as a 0. So y is equal to 0 minus 3. So y is equal to 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So you get the value of y is minus 3 and the coordinates for this is 0 comma minus 3. Now the third part, y is equal to x minus 3. So y is equal to x minus 3 is, put the value of x as minus 1 minus 3. So y is equal to minus 4. So put minus 4 over there and the coordinates are x comma y is equal to minus 1 comma minus 4. Now just draw the x and y axis and plot the points. So it is 1 for the right hand side for x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and for the left hand side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. Now upper side of y axis, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. For next one it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now just plot the points as we find out. So first point is 1 comma 4. So just check where is 1 on the x-axis and where is 4 and locate that point. Next one it is 0 comma 5. So it is 0 comma 5. Now next one is minus 1 comma 6. Just check where is minus 1 on x-axis and 6 and just draw the line through that 3 points. Next one, write down the equation on that line, that is x plus y is equal to 5. Now next point is 1 comma minus 2. Just check where is 1 and minus 2. It is 1 and minus 2. Now it is 0 and minus 3 and minus 1 comma minus 4 and just draw the line from that and write down the equation x minus y is equal to 3. So it is, we got the point here that two lines are crossing in this point. So you got that point as 4 comma 1. So solution is x comma y is equals to 4 comma 1 is the solution. So question number 3 is x plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9. So the first equation is x plus y is equal to 0. Now y is equal to minus x. So it is very simple. We have to just change the sign for y. So if you write here x as a 1, so y will be minus 1 and the coordinates are 1 comma minus 1. Now if x is 0, then y will be again 0. So 0 comma 0 are the coordinates, and if your x is minus 1, then your y is minus 1 comma 1. Now for second equation, 2x minus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 2x minus 9. Now we will find out the solution for this. So just put the values of x as 2, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will go for the first one. So your equation is y is equal to 2x minus 9. So y is equal to 2 multiplied by x is 2 minus 9. So y is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 minus 9. So you got the value of y is equal to minus 5. So it is minus 5. Now for the next one, we will just put the value of x as a 3. So y is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 minus 9. So y is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 minus 9. So 6 minus 9 is minus 3. And y is equal to 2x minus 9. So y is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 minus 9. So it is y is equal to 8 minus 9. So you got the value of y is equal to minus 1. Now here see you got the solution. For first one is minus 5. We just wrote here minus 5. So the coordinates are 2 comma minus 5. For the next one we find out it is minus 3. So it is minus 3. 3 comma minus 3 and it is minus 1. So it is 4 comma minus 1. Now we will just plot the points. So again, draw the x-axis and y-axis and plot the points over there. So it is 0. Then on the right hand side that is plus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the x-axis, and for minus x-axis, x-dash axis is minus. Points are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. And for y-axis it is upper side is positive, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and downer side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now we'll just plot the points of our first point is 1 comma minus 1. So 1 comma minus 1 is here. Second point is 0 comma 0. It is in the middle part. And third point is it is minus 1 comma 1. And just draw the line and write down the equation. So x plus y is equals to 0. It is the equation of this line. And next point. For the next equation, 2 comma minus 5 is the first point. So you got, just check where is 2 and where is minus 5. So on the x-axis check where is 2. You got here 2 and it is minus 5. Second point, 3 comma minus 3. So 3 comma minus 3 here. So you got the point as second point. And third is 4 comma minus 1. So it is 4 and minus 1. So this is the line for equation number second. So write down the equation 2x minus y is equal to 9. So you got the point over here. So this point is 3 comma minus 3. So you got the solution. X comma y is equal to 3 comma minus 9 is the solution for this two equations. Question number 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. So the equation first is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now find out the value for y from this equation. So y is equal to, just get that y to that side because that is minus. So it is plus y and this plus 2 will become minus 2 from this side. So for this side, so 3x minus 2. Now you have to just put the value of x is minus 1, 0 and 1. So y is equals to 3x minus 2 is the equation. Put the value of x as a minus 1 in this. So it is, see, 3 multiplication sign as it is, and on the place of x put minus 1 and minus 2. So y is equal to minus 3 minus 2. So y is equal to minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Now second, y is equals to 3x minus 2. Just put the value of x as 0. Now y equals to 3 multiplied by 0 minus 2. So it is y is equals to 0 minus 2 and y is equal to minus 2. Now the third part, y minus 3x minus 2 and put the value of x as 1. So y is equal to 3 comma 1 minus 2. So y is equals to 3 minus 2 and y is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we'll just put the values for this. At very first we find out it is minus 5, so minus 5. So the coordinates are minus 1 comma minus 5. Here it is 2 minus 2. So coordinates are 0 comma minus 2 and it is 1. So it is 1 comma 1. Now for the equation number second, 2x minus y is equal to 3. So find out the value for y from this equation. So y is equal to 2x minus 3, as again same, it is minus, so take it to the RHS side, and this 3 take it to the LHS side, so you will get minus 3. Now put the value of x as 1, 0 and minus 1. So y is equal to 2x minus 3. So it is y is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 minus 3. So it is y is equal to 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Now next, y is equal to 2x minus 3, y is equal to 2 in bracket. Again you have to put 0 here. So it is 0 minus 3. Now the next part is y is equal to 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 is y is equals to minus 3. And at last, put the value of x as minus 1. So y is equal to 2 in bracket minus 1 minus 3. So y is equal to minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Just put the values as minus 1, minus 3 and minus 5 here. So for first one, when you put 1 in that, you will get minus 1. So coordinates are 1 comma minus 1, 0. When you put 0, you will get 3. So it is 0 comma minus 3. And at last, you put here minus 1. So you will get here minus 5. So it is minus 1 comma minus 5. Now we will go for the graph here. Just plot the graph. Draw the x-axis and y-axis. This is point 0, where x and y axis are meeting. Now just plot the points that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the x side of x-axis, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6 on the left side of your x-axis. Now for the y-axis, plot the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and to the downside of the y-axis is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now plot the points. Now your first point is minus 1, minus 5. Check where is minus 1 on your x-axis. So you got here minus 1, and minus 5 on y-axis here. So you got your point here. Now next point is 0, minus 2. So the 0 is here and minus 2 on the y-axis. So it is minus 2. And third point is 1, 1, and draw the line and write down the equation of that line, that is 3x minus y is equals to 2. Now the second, plot the points for the second one. So second is 1, minus 1. So check where is 1 and minus 1. So you got the point here. Now 0, minus 3, 0 and minus 3 is here. And at last it is again minus 1, minus 5, and you got the point, you got the line from here. Just draw the line from that points and you will get the point as located point as minus 1, minus 5. So the solution for this is x, y is equals to minus 1, minus 5 is the solution for this simultaneous equation. Question number 5, 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7 and 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now we have to solve these simultaneous equations graphically. So we have first equation, 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Now the next step is we will find out the value of 4y. So 4y is equal to 3x plus 7. So see, this 4y is in these have subtraction sign. So we will just take it away from RHS side to LHS side. So it is 4y, and this minus 7 from our LHS side, it will come towards RHS. So it is plus 7. Now we will find out the value of y. So y is equal to 3x plus 7. This is in the multiplication. From going that side, that will be in the division. So divided by 4. Now we will put the value of x as minus 1, minus 5 and 3. Now y is equal to, we will put minus 1 first. So y is equal to 3. On the place of this x, we have to put this minus 1. So it is minus 1 plus 7 divided by 4. So y is equal to minus 3 plus 7 divided by 4. So y equal to minus 3 plus 7 is 4 divided by 4 as it is. So it is, find out the value of y. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So y is equal to 1. Now the next part is we will put the value of your x as minus 5. So you have again y is equal to 3x plus 7 divided by 4. Put the value of x as minus 5. So on the place of this x, we will put minus 5. So 3 multiplied by minus 5 plus 7 divided by 4. Now we will calculate this. So y is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 minus 5 is minus 15 plus 7 divided by 4. Now y is equal to minus 15 plus 7 is minus 8 divided by 4 as it is. So the value of y is minus 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. minus sign as it is. So y is equal to minus 2. Now third part, we will put the value of x as this 3. So y is equal to 3x plus 7 divided by 4. Put the value of x as 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 plus 7 divided by 4. So y is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So it is 9 plus 7 divided by 4. So the value of y is equal to 9 plus 7 is 16 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. So the value of y is 4. Now we get the value. When you put minus 1 in the equation, you will get the value of y as a 1. So the coordinates are minus 1 comma 1. Now when you put minus 5, you will get the value minus 2. So the values are minus 2, minus 5 comma minus 2. Now when you put the value of x as a 3, you will get the coordinates are 3 comma 4. Now we will solve for equation number second. 5x minus 2y is equals to 0 is equation number second. Now we will find out the value for this y. So y is equal to 2y. Now we have here 2y. 2y is equal to 5x. So see, find out the value for y. So y is equals to 5x divided by 2. So this 2 is in the multiplication, then from going that side, that will be in the division. You got the value of y. Now we will put the value of x as 2, 0 and minus 2. Just come on the equation. Y is equal to 5x divided by 2. On the place of x, firstly we will put 2. This 2. So y is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now the next part is put the value of x as 0. So when you put the value of x as 0, you will get, so you have y is equal to 5x divided by 2 and put the value of x as 0. So 5 multiplied by 0 divided by 2. So y is equal to 0. So 5 multiplied by 0 is 0 and divided by 2. Now the next, for third value, it is minus 2. So y equal to 5x divided by 2. On the place of x, we will put minus 2. So y is equal to 5 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 is minus 10 divided by 2. So see, minus 10 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10 and minus sign, plus minus minus. So the value of y equal to minus 5. Now as you put the value of x as 2, you will get the value of y as a 5. So the coordinates are 2 comma 5. When you put 0, you will get the value of y is 0. So the coordinates are 0 comma 0. And when you put minus 2, you will get the value of y as minus 5. So the coordinates are minus 2 comma minus 5. Now we will go for the graph. So the graphs are, see, just draw the graph x-axis and y-axis. So first point is 0 when that graphs are meeting at one point. Now just mark out the point for the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now x dash is equals to minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. So upside, like y, for the y-axis the points are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the downside of y, which is negative, so it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now we will just plot the point of the equations. So first point is minus 1 comma 1. Just check where it is, and minus 1 is here and 1 is on y-axis, 1 is here. So your first point is this one. Now the second point is minus 2 comma minus 5. Search on y-axis, where is minus 5? So minus 5 is here, and where is minus 2 of y-axis? Here. So it is minus 2, minus 5 comma minus 2. Now the third point is 3 comma 4. Just take the point from x-axis as a 3, so the coordinate is 3, and y-axis as a 4. So you got the point 3 comma 4 here. Just draw the line for this equation and write down the equation 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Now we will just plot the points for equation number second. So the first point is 2 comma 5. So 2 comma 5 is, check where is 2. Here it is 2. So 2 and 5. So you got the point here, first point. Now the second point is 0, 0, as this one is 0, 0, and the third point is -2, -5. So -2 this one and on the x-axis and -5 on this side, so it is -5. Just draw the line for this. So you got the line and write down the equation. 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now these two lines are meeting over here. So the coordinate of that meted point is 1, 2.5. See, 1 is here for the x-axis, so 1, and it is somewhat in between 2 and 3. So it is 0.5, 2, then 0.5. So it is 2.5. So the solution for this is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 2.5 is the solution of these given equations. Question number 6. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 3y minus x is equal to 4. Now we will solve for the equation first. So the equation number first is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. From this we will find out the value of y. So 3y is equal to 2x minus 4. See, as this minus 3y, we will take this 3y to the LHS side and this 4 to the RHS side. So plus 3y it will minus 3y it will be plus 3y and plus 4 it is minus 4 to this side. Now find out the value for y. So y is equal to 2x minus 4. This is in the multiplication. This 3 is in the multiplication with y. So from going that side, that will be in the division. Now we will just put the values of x as minus 1, 5 and minus 4. So y is equal to, we have y is equal to 2x minus 4 divided by 3. Just put the value of x as minus 1 in this. So y is equals to 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 4 divided by 3. So the value of y is equal to 2 multiplied with minus 1 is minus 2. So here it is minus 2 minus 4 divided by 3. So y is equal to minus 6. See, minus 2 minus 4. You have to do addition if signs are same. So it is minus 6 divided by 3 as it is. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and minus plus minus. So the value of y is equal to minus 2. Now for the second one. For the second point, put the value of x as 5 and you have y is equal to 2x minus 4 divided by 3. Now put the value of x as 5. So x is equal to 2 in bracket 5 minus 4 divided by 3. So y is equal to, see, 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 minus 4 divided by 3. Now y is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So y equal to 2. Now for the third, as we put the value of x as minus 4, then we have y equal to 2x minus 4 divided by 3. So y equal to 2 in bracket minus 4 minus 4 divided by 3. When you multiply that, you will get y is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 8. Minus 4 as it is divided by 3. So y equal to minus 8 minus 4. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. So plus minus minus plus sign of greater number minus divided by 3. Now divide this, 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. Plus minus minus. So you get the value of y is equal to minus 4. Now as you put the value of x is minus 1, you will get the coordinate minus 2. So the coordinates are minus 1 comma minus 2. When you put the value of x as a 5, so you will get the value of y is 2. So the coordinates are 5 comma 2. And when you put the value of x as minus 4, you will get the value of y as minus 4. So the coordinates are minus 4 comma 4. Now equation number second. So 3y minus x is equal to 4. This is your equation number second. Now we will find out the value of y from this equation. So 3y is equal to 4 plus x. So this is in the subtraction to RHS side. From going that side, that will be in the addition. Now find out the value of y. So y is equal to 4 plus x divided by 3. So this 3 is in the multiplication with y. From going that side, that will be in the division. So you got the value of y is equal to 4 plus x divided by 3. Now we will put the values of x as -1, 2 and 5. So you have y is equal to 4 plus x divided by 3. Now as we are putting the value of x as -1, so we will get y is equal to 4 plus, as it is on the place of x, we will put here -1. So -1 divided by 3. So y is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 plus minus subtraction 4 minus 1 is 3 and sign of greater number. So it is plus, and division divided by 3 as it is. Now the value of y, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Both are plus, so answer will be plus. So y is equal to 1. Now next we will put the value of x as 2. So we have y is equal to 4 plus x divided by 3. Now y is equal to 4. On the place of x we will put 2. So 4 plus 2 divided by 3. Now y is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by 3. Now 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So y is equal to 2. Now at last we will put the value of x as 5, so that we will get the coordinate number third. So we have value of y as 4 plus x divided by 3. So we will put x as a 5. So we will get 4 plus 5 divided by 3. Now y is equals to 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 divided by 3. Now divide this. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So you will get the value of y is equal to 3. Now when you put the value of x as -1, you will get the value of y as a 1. So it is coordinates are -1, 1. When you put the value of x as a 2, you will get y coordinate as a 2. So coordinates are 2, 2. And when you put the value of x as 5, you will get the coordinate y as 3. So the value are 5, 3. Now we will draw the graph for this. So draw your x-axis and y-axis. So first point is 0. Now your right hand side of x-axis is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And x dash is, it is minus, it is negative, so it is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Now y coordinates are for y-axis are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and minus part is -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Now we will just draw the line for equation number 1 and we'll plot the point for that. So first point is -1, -2. So -1, check where is -1? On x-axis and -2 on y-axis. You got the point here. Now second point, 5, 2. So 5 is here on the x-axis and 2 is here. So just locate that point. So 5, 2. Now third point is -4, -4. So on x-axis -4 is here and on y-axis -4 is this. Just locate that point. Join these 3 points. You will get the line for equation number first, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now for the second equation, -1, 1. So -1 is here on the x-axis and 1 is on the y-axis. Just locate that point, that is -1, 1. Second, 2, 2. So 2 is here on the x-axis and second 2, that is y coordinate is here. Just locate that point, 2, 2. And third point is 5, 3. So 5 is here on the x-axis and 3 is here. Just locate that point on the graph, that is 5, 3. Join that 3 points. You will get the line for equation number second, and equation second is 3y minus x is equal to 4. Now these two lines are joining in this point. So write down the coordinate for that point. So the coordinates are, see here it is 8 on the x-axis and 4 for the y-axis. So it is 8, 4. So the solution is x, y is equal to 8, 4 is the solution. Practice set 1.3 from that question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct number. So the determinant is given 3, 2, 4 and 5. Now we will have to just fill in the blanks for this. Now as see, you have to multiply this 3 and 5. Just cross multiply this one and 2 with 4. And in between these you have to give minus sign. So 3 multiplied by 5, 3. So this blank is with 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4. So this is 2 multiplied by 4. Now 3 multiplied by 5 is 15 minus 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Question number 2. Find the values of following determinants. Question 1 is in the determinant minus 1, 7, 2 and 4. So as we have to cross multiply this one. So the answer is you have to multiply minus 1 with 4, then give minus sign in between that, and 7 multiply with 2. So minus 1 multiplied by 4 minus in bracket 2 multiplied by 7. So minus 1 multiplied by 4 is minus 4 minus 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Minus minus you have to add it. Minus 4 minus 14 is minus 18. So you got the value of determinant is minus 18. Now second one. So in the determinant you have 5, 3, minus 7 and 0. So the answer is you have to cross multiply these two. So you will get 5 multiplied by 0 minus 3 multiplied by minus 7. So the value is 5 multiplied by 0 is 0 minus. Now see 7 multiplied by 3. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21 and here minus sign is there. So minus minus it will become plus and 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So the value of this determinant is 20. Now the third, in the determinant you have the fractions. Fractions are 7 divided by 3, 5 divided by 3, 3 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 2. So the answer is you have to cross multiply these. So 7 divided by 3 multiply with this 1 by 2 and 5 divided by 3 multiply this with 3 by 2. So it is 7 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 by 2 minus 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 3. So we'll just multiply this. So when you multiply this, just multiply 7 with 1. So you will get 7 ones are 7. 3 multiply with 2. It is 6 minus 3 multiply with 5 is 15 minus sign as it is. And 3 multiply with 2 is 6. Now whenever you have to subtract the fractions, firstly check whether the denominators are same or not. So here we have denominator 6 and 6. So when denominators are same, then we can do subtraction or addition. Here we have to do subtraction. So it is 7 minus 15. 7 minus 15 is minus 8 and write down denominator at 1. So it is 6. Now both the numbers are divisible by 2. So it is 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So you have the value is minus sign as it is 4 divided by 3. Question number 3. Solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. So the first equation is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. So the answer for this is your equations are 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and second equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. So here value of d. So first determinant is you have to take the values 3 and 4. 3, 4 here. So 3, 4. Minus 4 and minus 3. So minus 4, minus 3. Now just find out the value for this d. So d is equal to, you have to cross multiply that. So 3 multiply with 3 and 4 multiply with minus 4. So 3 multiply with 3 minus 4 multiply with minus 4. So you will get the value for this is 9 minus minus, this minus and this minus will become plus. 4 multiply with 4 is 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. Now we will find out the value for dx for finding the x coordinate. So dx is equal to, you have to take C point, like what is the standard form of your equation? Ax plus by is equal to C. So here it is, you have to take C and then here b. So here C is 10 and 5, 10 and 5, and b is minus 4 and 3. So it is minus 4 and 3. Again cross multiply this and find out the value for the determinant dx. So dx is equal to 10 multiply with 3 minus 5 multiply with minus 4. So 10 multiply with 3 is 30. Minus minus will become plus. This minus and this minus will become plus. 5 multiply with 4 is 20. So 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Now we will go for the dy for finding out the y coordinate. So dy is equal to see 3, 4 and 10 and 5. Here it is a. This one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. Now for Y you have to take A and C. So A and C are 3 and 4, so it is 3 and 4. C is 10 and 5, so it is 10 and 5. Now cross multiply these two and find out the value of determinant dy. So 3 multiply by 5 minus 4 multiply by 10. So 3 multiply by 5 is 15 minus 10 multiply by 4 is 40. Now plus minus, you have to do subtraction. So it is 25 and sign of greater number. As 40 is bigger number here, so you have to give the sign of 40. Now find out the x coordinate and y coordinate. So formula for x is dx upon d. So value of dx is, your dx is 50, so put the value of dx here, so it is 50, and what is the value of your d is 25. So divided by 25. So 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. So the value of x is 2. Now y is equal to, the formula of y is dy upon d. So dy is minus 25 and your d is 25. So 25 ones are 25 and 25 ones are 25. Minus, this is minus sign, so you have to give here minus sign. So the value of y is equal to minus 1. Now the solution for these two simultaneous equations are x comma y is equal to 2 comma minus 1. This one is the solution. Question number second, 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. Now the given equation is, just make it in a standard form as ax plus by is equal to c. So here this minus 4 is on the RHS side, so just take it to LHS side, it is 4. So the equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. Now next, second equation is 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. So it is, just take it in a standard form. So this minus 5y will come to the RHS side. So it is 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. Now find out the value for d as a determinant. Now for first one, I will just mark out here A, B and C. Now for first, you have to take AB. Now for D, AB. So AB is 4 and 6. 4 and 6. B is 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Now cross multiply these two, you will get the value of D. So 4 multiply by 5 minus 3 multiply by 6. So 4 multiply by 5 is 20 minus 6 multiply by 3 is 18. So 20 minus 18 is 2. This is the value of determinant D. Now we will go for d of x. D of x is equal to, we have to take C and B. So CB. 4, 8, 4, 8 and for B it is 3 and 5. It is 3 and 5. Then cross multiply these two. So it is 4 multiplied by 5 minus 3 multiplied by 8 or 8 multiplied by 3. So it is 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 minus 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. So 20 minus 24 is minus 4. It is sign of greater number is minus. Now d of y. So for d of y we are taking a and c. So a is 4 and 6 and c is 4 and 8. So it is 4 6 and 4 8. Now cross multiply these two. So these are 4 multiplied by 8 minus 4 multiplied by 6. So this is 8 multiplied by 4 is 32, minus sign as it is 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. So 32 minus 24 is 8. Now we will find out the coordinate x and y. So x is equals to, we have formula dx upon d. So what is the value of dx? We have dx is minus 4, just put minus 4, and what is d? It is 2. So minus 4 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, plus minus minus. So the value of x is minus 2. Now y. So y is equal to, we have formula for y is dy upon d. So what is dy? Dy is 8. Just put 8. What is the value of d here? D is 2. Now 8 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So the value of y is equal to 4. Now the solution for this is x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma 4. It is the solution. These are the coordinates for these equations. Question number 3, x plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So the answer is, these are the equations, x plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now find out the value of d. So d is, we have to take a, b for d. So I am marking here a, then this one is b and this one is c. So a is, nothing is there means 1, the coefficient of x is 1. So it is 1, 2, 1, 2, then you have to write b. So b is 2 and the coefficient of y is minus 3. So it is minus 3. Now find out the value for this determinant. So you have to cross multiply this. 1 multiply with minus 3 and 2 multiply with 2. So 1 multiply by minus 3 minus 2 multiply with 2. So 1 multiply with minus 3 is equal to minus 3 minus, as it is 4 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 is 4. So minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Minus minus, you have to add that, and sign of greater number, as 4 is greater, so you have to write down the sign of 4, that is minus 7. Now dx. So for dx we are taking c and b. So c is minus 1 minus 1 by 12. So minus 1 and 12. And for b it is 2 and minus 3. So it is 2 and minus 3. Again cross multiply this for finding out the value of determinant. So it is minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 minus 2 multiplied by 12. So minus 1 multiplied with minus 3 is 3 minus 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. So 3 minus 24 is minus 21. So you got the value of d of x is minus 21. Now d of y is equal to, you have to take a and c. So here a is 1, 2 and c is minus 1 and 12. Now cross multiply these two, you will get the value of dy. So 1 multiplied by 12 minus 1 multiply with 2. So it is 12 minus minus, it will become plus, and 2 multiply with 1 is 2. So 12 plus 2 is 14. Now find out the coordinates. As x, we have formula for x is dx upon d. So dx is, we have the value of dx is minus 21. So you write here minus 21 and d is minus 7. So it is minus 7. So 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. You get the value of x as 3. So minus minus it will be plus, and the value of x is 3. Now we have formula for y. Y is equal to dy upon d. So the value of dy is 14, so it is 14, and the value of d is minus 7, so it is minus 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So it is minus 2. Now you got the coordinates for this. X comma y is equal to 3 comma minus 2 is the solution. Question number 4. 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12 and 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. So the answer for this is, your equations are 6x minus 4y is equal to 12 and 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Now find out D. So I am marking again here A, B and C. So it is A, this one is B and this one is C. So for D we have to take A and B. So the coefficients are 6 and 8, 6 and 8 and 4, minus 4 and minus 3. So minus 4 and minus 3. Find out the value for this determinant. This is equals to 6 multiply with minus 3 minus 8 multiply with minus 4. Now calculate this. 6 multiply with minus 3 is minus 18. Minus minus will become plus. 8 multiply with 4 is 32. So minus 18 plus 32 is 14. Now dx. For dx we are taking c and d. So c the number is minus 12 and minus 2. Minus 12 and minus 2. For b is minus 4 and minus 3. So it is minus 4 and minus 3. So find out the value of determinant. We have to cross multiply that. So minus 12 multiply with minus 3 minus 2 multiply with minus 4. So it is equals to minus 12 multiply with minus 3 is 36 minus 2 multiply with minus 4 is 8. So 36 minus 8 is 28. Now for dy. So for dy it is equals to a and c. So the coordinates of that a are 6 and 8. So 6 and 8, and for c is minus 12 and minus 2. So it is minus 12 and minus 2. Now cross multiply that. So 6 multiply with minus 2 minus 8 multiply with minus 12. So 6 multiply with minus 2 is minus 12. Minus minus it will become plus. This minus and this minus will become plus. 8 multiply with 12 is 96. So minus 12 plus 96 is 84 and sign of written number. So it is positive 84. Now we have the for finding the value for x and y, we have formula x is equal to dx upon d. So put the value of dx and d in this. So the dx is 28 and d is 14. So just value is 14 ones are 14 and 14 twos are 28. So the value of x is 2. Now we have formula for y. So y is equal to dy upon d. So what is dy? dy is 84 and d is 14. So 84 upon 14 is equal to 6. It is 14 ones are 14 and 14 6 are 84. So here you got the solution for y is 6. So the coordinate x comma y is equal to 2 comma 6 is the solution for this equation. Question number 5. 4m plus 6n is equal to 54 and 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. So the answer for this is, your equations are 4m plus 6n is equal to 54 and 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. Find out the value of d. So d is equal to again a and b. So the coefficients are 4, 3, 4, 3 and 6, 2. So it is, here it is 6 and here it is 2. So 6, 2. Just cross multiply that, you will get the value of d. So 4 multiply with 2 minus 6, 3 multiply with 6. So it is 4 multiply with 2 is 8 minus 6 multiply with 3 is 2. 18. So 8 minus 18 is minus 10. Now dm, as we have to find out the value of m and n, so we have to take here dm. So dm is equal to c and B. So C is 54, 28, 54, 28 and 6, 2. So it is 6 and 2. Now cross multiply these two, then you will get the value of dm. So 54 multiply with 2 minus 28 multiply with 6. So 54 multiply with 2 is 108 minus sign as it is. 28 multiply with 6 is 168. So 108 minus 168 is minus 60. Now d of n, so second variable is n, so find out dn. So dn is again a and c. So a is 4 and 3, it is 4 and 3, and c is 54 and 28. So it is 54 and 28. Find out the value of determinant dn. So cross multiply these two. So 4 multiply with 28 minus 3 multiply with 54. So 4 multiply with 28 is 112 minus 3 multiply with 54 is 162. So when you subtract these two, you will get 50 and sign of the number is minus. Now as we have to find out the value of m, so m is equal to dm upon d. Just put the value of dm and d in this formula. You will have minus 60 divided by minus 10. So minus 60 divided by minus 10 is 6, as 10 ones are 10 and 10 6s are 60. Now n is equals to dn upon d. This is the formula. Just put the values for dn and d. In this formula you will get minus 50 divided by 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 fives are 50. As both have negative sign, so minus minus sign should be plus. So it is 5. Now you got the solution for m and n. So m comma n is equal to 6 comma 5 is the solution of this equation. Question number 6 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So the equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So find out the coefficient for this d. So it is a and b. So this one is a, this is b, and this one is c. So these are 2, 1, and here it is 3 and minus 1 by 2. So it is minus 1 by 2. Again cross multiply these, then you will get the value for determinant d. So it is 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 2 minus 1 multiplied with 3. So it is equal to C 1s are 2 1s are 2 1s are. So it is 1 and this minus sign will be added as it is. So it is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 3 multiplied with 1 is 3. So minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Now dx. So for dx we have to take c and b. So the coefficient of c are 2 and 1 by 2, 2 and 1 by 2, and here 3 and minus 1 by 2. So it is 3 and minus 1 by 2. Now cross multiply these two. So it is equals to 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 1 by 2. So again 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 from here. So it is minus 1, and for next one minus 1 by 2 multiplied with 3 is 3 by 2. So minus 1 and minus 3 by 2. So the answer is C. Whenever you have to add or subtract any of the fraction, firstly you have to check whether the denominators are same or not. So here nothing is there, means 1. So it is 1 here. So it is minus 1 by 1. So you have to make denominators same. So multiply these 2 by 2, you will get 2 multiplied with minus 1 is minus 2. This is minus 2, minus 3 divided by, you got it as a 2. So minus 3 and minus 2 is equal to minus 5 divided by 2. Now for dy. So dy is equal to, what is dy? We have to take a and c. So a are 2 and 1. So it is 2 and 1. C are 2 and 1 by 2. It is 2 and 1 by 2. Again cross multiply these. So these are 2 multiply with 1 by 2 minus 2 multiply with 1. So it is equals to 2 ones are 2 ones are. So here you got 1 minus 1 multiply with 2 is 2. It is minus 1. Now the value of x is equal to dx upon d. This is the formula. Just put the values of dx and d in this formula. So what is dx? Dx is minus 1 by 2. So it is minus 1 by 2 divided by the value of d is minus 4. So it is minus 4. Now just multiply these two. So 5 as it is. This denominator you can multiply that. So it is 2 multiplied with minus 4. So it is minus 5 divided by minus 4 multiplied with 2 is minus 8. Minus minus will get cancelled and you will have the value of x is 5 divided by 8. Now the formula for y is dy upon d. So what is dy? You got the dy as minus 1. So it is minus 1 and d is minus 4. So it is minus 4. Now minus minus will get cut. So it is 1 upon 4. Now the solution for this is x comma y is equals to 5 by 8 comma 1 by 4 is the solution.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.